In today's video, we are going to show you how to earn coins on Pocket FM. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Pocket FM app on your mobile device and log into your account. On the main home screen, I want you to tap in My Store. This will forward you to a new page. Pocket FM offers non-free episodes can be unlocked either with purchase coins or with coins earned by performing tasks and watching videos. You will notice that you have multiple options here. As you can see, you can earn up to 1,000 coins via the puzzles, games, and more. If you click on it, you'll be forwarded to a new page. You can simply take a survey and earn rewards, which will give you 247 coins. Click on it, what will happen is take the surveys and earn rewards, okay? Another option that you can do is go to the section that says play. All I have to do is play a specific advertised game or app. Let's say you wanted to try the 𝗘ጽ𝗶𝘀, which will give you 1,000 free coins. If you click on it, you just have to play the game and earn all those free coins for you. Now, the available tasks differ from country, device, and account and time. If you do not see an earning option, update Pocket FM, check My Store section again, and avoid using VPN or proxy because offers can be region dependent, alright? And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can earn coins on Pocket FM. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.